Greetings and welcome to another video. My name's Axel.
I'm Sean.
And today we are here in Amsterdam outside one of the famous Febo fast food restaurant. So let's take you along inside there, show you how it works and show you what they've got on to offer.
Burgers der. Ja, det er lækkert.
Okay, so
Og garanteret bedre end det burger, du fik der.
what's this? Tap your card to it, let it approve, whichever one you want.
What are you getting?
We'll open.
Do you know what it is?
This is the name of it. I would not know how to pronounce that whatsoever.
Frikandellen.
That's right, and what it is a crunchy pastry of cream ragout made of fresh bourguignon and Dutch beef.
Ooh. Can you get me a cheeseburger, please?
Cheeseburger for Sean. That's all. Flat pastry filled with hot cheese.
So this is our selection.
This is a traditional Dutch snack. So let's give it a try. Really nice. And the outside of it is very crunchy. The inside of it tastes like stew a little bit.
What sort of stew?
Texture. Like beef Irish stew.
Oh, okay. What is it? Cheesy and beef? Alright then.
It's nice though. Do you want to try?
Yeah, leave me a little bit.
That is good. Really good. It's got a little kick to it. But it's not spicy at all. It's very flavourful though. This one, I give out 4 out of 5. How does it taste?
I like this.
What does it taste of?
Cheesy vegetable pasta sort of thing, but in like a, I don't know, a bit like potato croquet, the filling, you know, the cheesy filling.
Yeah.
A bit like that, but nicer. I give it that one a 4 out of 5.
Up next is the cheese pastry. So let's open this for you. The plain pastry filled with melted cheese. Yeah, exactly as I thought it would taste really. The cheese is very powerful cheese. It tastes like a toasty. Exactly as I thought it would. Very nice. I'm giving 3 out of 5.
It's alright, yeah. I'll give it maybe a 2 out of 5.
Burger. So look on the inside. Very nice. The bread's fluffy still. I thought the bread would be hard, but it's puffer. Nice. Tastes like a Big Mac, to be honest. It's got a burger sauce on it. Your lettuce, your beef, and the bread's nice and soft. Tastes like a McDonald's burger. I'd give it a 4 out of 5, to be honest. Considering it's only €4. And I love
The McDonald's are a lot more expensive here, aren't they?
Yeah. What?
Like £13 for a meal, innit?
That's really nice.
And I'm gonna have the cheeseburger. It feels a little bit crispy at the bottom. Is yours quite hard at the bottom?
No.
No.
It shows inside. Can't see it. Open it towards you to do that. Alright. Alright.
No gherkins, which I'm a little bit upset about. Could do with a gherkin, but let's see how it tastes. Tastes nice. The bun's a little bit stale. Apart from that, good.
What are you giving out of 5?
3.
3 out of 5. Fair enough.
Right, that's overall thoughts of the Febo vending machines. Pretty cool. Yeah, when I was drunk on the way home from the night out,
Yeah.
I'll definitely get a few.
Yeah. I think they're a great idea. How they're all stacks up as well. It's
Yeah.
very accessible. It's very easy and simple to use.
Yeah.
Just scan your card, press your button, and there you go. There's your food.
There's your food.
It was great
It's,
to try. It was great to try some of a Dutch cuisine.
Yeah.
It was great to
yeah.
try that, and so you can just pick it up here. It's a quick, easy, and simple way to get some food if you're out and about in Amsterdam.
And it's something they don't have in the UK, so it's something to experience. Like, it's bizarre. Feels like something you'd get in China, to be honest.
It does, yeah, it does.
But yeah, here it is in the most liberal place in Europe.
With that said, I've been Axel,
I'm Sean.
and I'll see you in another video.